In July 2026, I fired my 2-person content team. Not because they were bad, because 5 Claude prompts now do their job in about 20 minutes a day, for $20 a month instead of the $8,000 a month I was paying 2 people. Today I'm giving you those exact 5 prompts, word for word. Right now in 2026, this stack works better than it did even 6 months ago. Anthropic keeps shipping. Models like Sonnet 5 and Opus 4.8 now handle multi-step agentic work these prompts need, without the price climbing the way it used to. The models got better and the cost didn't go up. By 2027, I'd bet most solo creators run their whole content pipeline this way. No team required. First role I replaced. The strategist who plans what to post. Here's the prompt I feed Claude every Monday. Act as a content strategist for niche. Here are my last 10 post topics and their performance. Suggest 15 new angles ranked by likely engagement, and flag which ones are oversaturated in 2026. The trick is pasting real performance data, not just asking blind. Thanks to the longer context windows now available, I can dump 3 months of analytics in one go and get a genuinely ranked list back, not generic suggestions. The 2025 approach, brainstorming topics off the top of your head, is already obsolete. Second role, the writer who turns an idea into a first draft. My prompt, write a 500-word blog post, on topic in my voice, using this sample of my past writing as the style reference. Short sentences. No corporate filler words like leverage or utilize. The single biggest fix here, give the model a style sample instead of just an adjective like casual. Show, don't tell, when it comes to voice. Third role, the editor who catches the boring parts. Prompt, you are a ruthless editor. Cut 20% of this draft's length without losing meaning. Flag any sentence a reader would skim past. This one alone saved me hours a week. No more back and forth with a human editor over tone. Fourth role, whoever chops one piece of content into 10. Prompt, turn this article into 1 Twitter thread, 3 LinkedIn posts, and a 60-second video script. Keep the core insight intact in each format. Paste the article, run the prompt, copy the outputs. 3 formats, 1 input. And here's why this got cheaper this year. Anthropic's own prompt caching documentation shows reused context, like your brand voice sample, cuts token costs by up to 90% when you run it repeatedly. Running this daily now costs a fraction of what it did in 2025. Fifth role, the person making sure everything sounds like it came from the same brand. Prompt, compare this new draft against these 5 past posts. List any inconsistencies in tone, terminology, or claims made. This is the quiet job nobody notices until it's missing, and it's the one that used to take a full-time person a whole afternoon. Here's my actual Monday to Friday. Strategist prompt on Monday morning. Draft writer prompt Tuesday. Editor prompt Wednesday. Repurposing prompt Thursday. Brand check Friday before anything ships. 20 minutes a day, 5 prompts, 0 payroll. Save this video. You'll want to come back to these prompts next time you're staring at a blank content calendar. That's the 5 prompt team that replaced my content department. If you want the exact prompt templates as a copy-paste doc, drop a comment saying prompts, and I'll send them your way. Hit like if this saved you time, and subscribe. I drop a new AI workflow every week, and next week I'm breaking down how to chain these 5 prompts into one automated pipeline with 0 manual copy pasting. See you in the next one.